Ladies and gentlemen, if you'd like to change your time zone on your Google Calendar, stick around. I'm going to show you how easy it is. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are in Google Calendar. Now, if you're unfamiliar with how to get to Google Calendar, if you open a new tab on your Google Chrome page, you'll see this group Google apps over here, and you'll be able to find Google Calendar within this group. You can see over here, Google Calendar allows us to see a gear icon on the top right hand side. This is our settings menu. Here we're going to click on settings. Quite simply, on the left hand side, you can click on time zone, or you can just scroll down slightly and you'll see time zone. You can also display a secondary time zone. So over here, you can just literally open up, change the time zone. You can also give it a label. Change your secondary time zone, give it a label. You can also have the ask to update my primary time zone to current location. You can have that on or off. And then there are, of course, some more options. But once that is done, you are now in settings, so you don't have to actually go and change or click on save changes. That's automatically saved. And once you go back, you will be able to then view your calendar with the new time zone. I hope this was helpful.